Hi guys, welcome to Mercy's in the Kitchen. Love you guys, and thank you to subscribe and also share. Thank you guys. I'm going to use yam and make salad. Normally we know we use Irish potato and make salad. No, we can use whatever yam we have in our home. We can use it. Sometimes Irish potatoes were expensive, and guys, nothing nice like when you use your yam and make your salad. Guys, you have to have your mayonnaise and your corn to go inside of it. And guys, you also can use egg inside of it, just like the Irish potato. So guys, I'm going to show you how to peel it and also dice it up and cook it till it's soft. You're going to strain it off. I'm going to crush your yam and use it to make your salad. Stay tuned, guys. So here we go. About a pound of yam is this. So we're going to remove off the skin. So guys, you know, so we have to wash it though, you know. After we finish peel the yam, we're going to go and wash it before we dice it up to make the salad. So guys, this is the way it's going to look. We have some already diced up here to show you guys how it's going to look. And I'm also going to show you how to dice it. So you're going to cut the yam straight to it now. Then start to slice it up. Guys, it's easy to cook. When you do it this way it's easy to cook because we need our yam to cook very soft to get to crush it out to make the salad. So we have to dice it. Let go, please slice out. So when we slice it this way, guys, it's easy to cook. So this is the way you're going to look for we to make our salad. And just like the Irish potato, this is we have to do it also to slice it up to get our Irish to be cooked. So guys, we're going to get the water into the pot to cook our yam. We're going to show the amount of water into it to get cover our yam. We're going to get in our salt into the water. I use about half teaspoon of salt. Because guys, you know that, as I say, too much salt, so much sugar is not good for your body. So guys, you know you have to use the amount of salt and the amount of sugar when you're cooking what is not going to stick here. So we're going to get in our yam into the pot. Here our water cover the yam, so it's time for me to close it and to make it cook until it's soft and remove the flame from underneath the pot. So guys, it's time to check on our yam. It still do not cook as yet. So guys, we're going to make it stay on until when we touch it and it's soft. That is when the time is cooked. It has to be soft. Guys, you see it won't cook as yet. So guys, look on it. See guys, it's very soft. Now it's time to remove our flame from underneath it. So guys, I have my strainer right here and I'm going to strain it off, guys, and show you how I'm going to strain off my yam to make my salad. So guys, after I'm finished straining it off, I'm going to put it into this bowl to crush it. And remember guys, you have to use You can use a fork and also a spoon to crush it. For see it here guys, I'm going to crush it. And after me crush it down guys, before I'm going to put in all my next thing, what I'm going to put inside of it, I'm going to put in my mayonnaise. But guys, I have to crush it before I get in my mayonnaise and my corn into it. So guys, I can also use a fork and crush it. So guys, look on it. There is no difference from the Irish potato. Guys, if I don't say to you that is yum, guys, it's not any difference from it, guys. So guys, when you look on it, it looks just like Irish. So if I don't say to you that is the yam I use, guys, you would know that is the yam I use to make my salad. So that's why I say to you, you don't have to worry when you don't have Irish. You have yam at home, you can just cook your yam and dice it and crush it. Guys, you can eat this with all oxtail. This is very nice with oxtail, you know. Guys, one of these you're going to cook some oxtail and make my salad and show you guys. So guys, look on it. You see it pretty? Just like Irish potato it look like. So guys, it's time for me to get in my mayonnaise inside of it. And I'm going to mix in my mayonnaise into it. Guys, I'm going to put in some amount of more mayonnaise inside of it. I'm going to crush it. I believe I need a next spoon to do this. This only more mixed in, much better, yes. So guys, I'm also going to get in my sweet corn inside of it. Oh my God, look at this guys. Tell me the truth. You can't tell me if it's not Irish potato or not, or yum. No, you can't tell the difference. If I don't say to you that is yum I use, you don't know guys. Look at it. Look how pretty it is. Oh my God, guys, I'm at the wonder why I don't put any butter into it. No. All we need is the mayonnaise. We don't need no grease to fill in our stomach. All we need is the mayonnaise inside of it and the sweet corn. And if you want to put in your mixed vegetable, you also can do it also inside of it.